Bionic Flying Fox. Festo is a German manufacturer of industrial equipment and automation systems. The robot you see on the screen is one of its specialist spin-off projects. During its creation, the engineers, as you can easily guess, were inspired by the mechanics of an animal's body, a flying fox. At rest, as well as in a state of activity, the robot simulates the movements of a flying fox almost identically. Therefore, it's able to hang upside down, clinging to a perch. In motion, the robot unfolds its wings and alternates a flight phase with a glide. As the material for the wings, the engineers chose impenetrable film, as well as lycra sheets welded at 45,000 points. If you look closer at the material, you can see the obvious resemblance to beehives. Thanks to this special design, the robot can keep moving without going down, even if the fabric is damaged. It should be noted that the developers have equipped the Fox with an infrared sensor system that transmits data about the surrounding space wirelessly. Thanks to them, the robot can fly in semi-automatic mode. Robird. Modern scientists and engineers increasingly take their inspiration from animals to create new robots, especially from birds. In 2014, specialists from the University of Twente in the Netherlands joined the ranks of electronic bird creators. Robird, produced by Clear Flight Solutions, is essentially a drone with the appearance of a hawk. The purpose of the machine is to provide a higher level of security at Edmonton Airport in Canada. The fact is that 8 million people come here each year, and the planes make 168,000 flights. Until 2014, birds were the main problem that had to be faced. As they flew into the airport, they crashed into the planes and hit the engines. Previously, lasers and sensors were used to deal with them, and the presence of birds in the area was accompanied by a special signal. The Robird drone is a simpler and cheaper way to solve the problem. It imitates a raptor in the sky, and real birds don't dare approach for fear of the predator. Therefore, the self-preservation instinct prevents them from flying near the airport. The speed of the robot is 80 km per hour. The drone flies under the control of an operator, but specialists are already working on the creation of an autonomous model. Bionic Wheelbot. And here's another amazing robot, created by specialists from the company Festo, which we've mentioned earlier. Perhaps the main feature of Bionic Wheelbot is that, unlike its natural prototype, it won't frighten even the most arachnophobic people. In addition, this spider robot, like other Festo electronic animals, looks very attractive. The development was shown in March 2018. It should be noted that the robot can move in two fundamentally different ways. For the first one, to move forward, the machine uses 3 pairs of legs like a real spider. However, in case of danger, the robot rotates the legs to take on the shape of a wheel. After that, it starts moving and rolling on the surface, reaching a higher speed than if it was walking with its legs in the usual way. The second mode is also relevant for use on smooth surfaces. Bionic Wheelbot was created to show the possibilities that scout robots will have in the future. eLoom.